Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter matrices. Okay, in last class we discussed the multiplication of the matrices and what is the condition for two matrices can be multiplied. Today we are going to discuss what is transpose matrix and properties of the transpose matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix and their properties. Okay. Now what is transpose matrix? Transpose of a matrix. So first question is what? First concept is transpose of a matrix. Okay. Transpose of a matrix. So transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Let capital A be a matrix of order m into n. Then its transpose is obtained. Then its transpose is obtained by changing rows into columns, okay, and or columns into rows, and it is denoted by transpose of matrix A is denoted by transpose of a matrix is denoted by transpose of a matrix is denoted by AT or A dash. That is, if A is equal to Aij whose order is what? M into n, then A transpose is equal to Aj whose order is what? N into m. For example, let A is equal to 2 1 3 4 0 5. Then this is what is the order here? 2 into 3 order. Okay. Then write A transpose. So solution is what? Solution is A transpose. Transpose means change rows into columns. First row is what? 2 1 3. So make this is AT is equal to row 1 is equal to column 1. 2 1 3 and 4 0 5. Whose order is what? 3 into 2. Order of A is what? 2 into 3. Order of A transpose equal to 3 into 2. Okay. Now properties of transpose matrix. What are the properties of transpose matrix? Property 1. Properties of transpose matrices. Property 1. If A is a matrix, then A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. A transpose whole transpose is equal to what? A. Okay. Property 2. If A and B are two matrices of same order, matrices of same order, then A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose is equal to what? A transpose plus B transpose. This is A. And B is what? A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Property 3. If A and B are two matrices where the product is defined, where the product AB is defined, then AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Similarly A B C transpose is equal to C transpose B transpose A transpose. Okay. Now property 4. If K be a constant or scalar, K be a scalar, that is constant, okay, and capital A be a matrix, then K into A transpose is equal to what? K into A transpose. Property 5. This property as properties are for 1 mark question. So property 5. If A is a square matrix, then determinant of A, this is determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. Okay. Now this is the property 5. This is property 5. Now some questions related to transpose of matrix. Then question problems. If A is equal to 1 0 3 5 6, B is equal to what? 4 1 3 0 2 5, then verify. Question this is then verify A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now solution is A is equal to what? A is equal to 1 0 3 5 6 and B is equal to what? 4 1 3 0 2 5. Okay. Now find A plus B. Now A plus B is equal to 2 plus 4 6, 1 plus 1 2, 0 plus 3. So this is 2, 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 0 3, 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 5 11. Now A B whole transpose. Left hand is what? Left hand side is what? A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose means रो जगह कलम हो जो कलम जार हो 6 1 2 3 रो अच्छी इंतु कलम हो जो 6 2 3 3 7 11. This is what? A B whole transpose. Now right hand side. What is right hand side? Right hand side is equal to what? A transpose plus B transpose. What is transpose of A? A equal to this transpose माने कलम जा रो हो रो जा कलम हो जो. So 2 1 0 3 5 6 plus B what? B is equal to 4 1 3 0 2 5. So add this 2 plus 4 6 3 plus 0 3, 5, okay, 1 plus 1 2, and 5 plus 2, this is 7, 3 0 plus 3 3, and this is what 11. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Now another question, verify. Verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Verify AB transpose is equal to, another question number 2, that is verify AB transpose. Verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, where A is equal to 2 1 3 4 2 5, and B is equal to 1 0 2 1 1 3. This is order of what? 3 into 2, and this is 2 into 3. So multiplication is possible. Okay, so solution is now to verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, where to verify this. Okay, where A is equal to what? 2 1 3 4 2 5, and B is equal to 1 0 2 1 1 3. Okay, now find AB. Now find A into B. Now find A into B. 2 3 2 1 4 5. This is A, and B is equal to what? B is equal to 1 0 2 1 1 3. Now multiplied AB. This is row 1 and this is column 1. So 2 into 1 2 plus 2 1 into 1 1. So then 2 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Now what? 2 into 2 4, 1 into 3 3. This is row 1 complete. Now row 2. 3 into 1 3, 4 into 1 4. Then 3 into 0 0, 4 into 1 4. Then what? 3 into 2 6, 4 into 3 12. Okay, now 2 into 1 2, and 5 into 1 5. Then 2 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, plus 2 into 2 4, 5 into 3 15. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? Okay, this is equal to 2 plus 1 3 and 1, and this is 7 and 7 and 4, and this is what? 18, and this is 7, and this is 5, and this is what? 19. This is what? AB. This is AB. AB equal to this. Now AB transpose is equal to what? Now AB transpose is equal to what? Now AB transpose is equal to, this is AB, and AB transpose is equal to what? AB transpose AB transpose, that is 3 1 7 and 7 4 18 7 5 19. This is AB transpose. Okay, now this is left hand side. Now right hand side. What is right hand side? This is left hand side. So right hand side is equal to what? B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. This is right hand side. So B transpose, this is B. So B transpose is what? 1 0 2 and 1 1 3. This is B transpose, and A transpose is what? That is 2 1 2 1 3 4 and 2 5. 2 1 3 4 2 5. Multiply this. 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 1 1. Then 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 4 4. Then what? 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 5 5. So row 1 complete. Now row 2. 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into 1 1. 2 into 3 6 plus what? 3 into 4 12. 2 into 2 4. Okay, sorry, this is wrong. 0 into 2 0 1 into 1 0. So 0 into 3 0 1 into 4. This is 0. This is 0 into what? 2 1 into 1 0 plus 1. 0 into 3 0 and 1 into 4 4. 0 into 2 0 0 into 2 0 and 1 into 5 5. Okay, 2 into 2 4 plus 3. Then 2 into 3 6 plus 12. Okay, 2 into 4 4 plus 15. So this answer is what? The answer is what? This is equal to 3 7. Okay, 3. This is 3 7 and this is 7, and this is what? 1 and this is 4. 1 4 and this is 5 and 7. This is 18 and this is 19. So this is what? RHS. This is RHS and this is left hand side. LHS is equal to what? LHS equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? LHS is equal to what? LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Now here LHS equal to what? Here LHS is equal to, that is here AB transpose is equal to what? Now we get or we calculate this. Here AB transpose is equal to what? That is 3 7 7 1 4 5 7 18 19. This is AB trans. Now this is the left hand side. Okay, now ABT into AT, B transpose into A transpose. What is obtained here? 3, same thing, 3 7 7 1 4 5 7 18 19. This is RHS. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. This is the solution of this type question. Now another question. Then what is symmetric matrix? What is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. The square matrix capital A. The square matrix capital A is said to be symmetric matrix. Said to be symmetric matrix. The square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A. Transpose of this matrix is equal to itself. Okay, so that is let A is equal to Aij of order what? N into N. Then what? A transpose is equal to what? A transpose is equal to AJI order same AJI order n into n since it is square matrix. According to definition, that is Aij is equal to AJI means what? यार मीनिंग कौन होची ना A12 सह A21 समान A23 सहित A32 इक्वल हम एटसेट्रा. सो गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एग्जांपल गुड दियो. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स रा एग्जांपल होची देखो मैं फर्स्ट लिखुची A इज इक्वल टू सपोज दिस. ओके सपोज ऑर्डर 2 कथा कहबा यार पोजीशन A11 यार पोजीशन A12 यार पोजीशन A21 यार पोजीशन A22. तो A11 A22 जाहे पारे बट कौन A12 इज इक्वल टू A21 ए दीटा एलिमेंट इक्वल हेबा दरकार. ए दीटा जहाँ भी चलो. फॉर एग्जांपल मन इच्छा गोटे नियो. दिस इज एग्जांपल व्हाट एग्जांपल 1 एट नेबी 2 एट नेबी 5 एट जब 5 नेबी एटा 5 हो एटा जहाँ हो सपोज 10 नेबी. दिस इज ए. नाउ वेरीफाई A ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू A. नाउ वेरीफाई A ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू A हो ना नहीं. तो A ट्रांसपोज ये जो रो 1 को कॉलम में लिखि दियो केते 2 5. ए रो 2 को कॉलम 2 लिखि दियो केते 5 10 सेम ना जति थिला से रोच. तो A इक्वल टू A ट्रांसपोज. देयरफॉर A इज इक्वल टू 2 5 5 10 is symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Same the example I would never order 3 pi. This is second order. For third order, what happens here? For third order, this is example 1 and example 2. थर्ड ऑर्डर लिखा. तो थर्ड ऑर्डर केमती लिखा एग्जांपल ना अच्छी कौन अच्छी A11 A12 A13 and this is what A21 A22 A23 A31 A32 A33 या को देखिए लिखार अच्छी. तो कौन कौन इक्वल हो पारे ना A12 सह A21 इक्वल हम. A13 सह A31 इक्वल हम एंड A23 सहित A32 इक्वल हम. ए डायगोनल एलिमेंट जेकोसी एलिमेंट नहीं पार मन इच्छा. ओके सो देख दिस इज सपोज 5 एंड दिस इज व्हाट 2 and this is what suppose 7. ए जो एलिमेंट 1 2 सहित एटा इक्वल हम. सो दिस इज 2 एटा जेकोसी एलिमेंट नेब सपोज 9 नहीं जीवो एंड 1 3 A13 सह किए समान A31 एटी केते अछि 7 पुट कली. देन A23 एटी केते नेबी सपोज 4 नेबी ता सहित एटा 7 4 एटा मन इच्छा जहाँ ने भी हम डायगोनल सपोज 6 नहीं गली. दिस इज A. ओके A एंड A ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू सेम ना. A ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू व्हाट ए जो रो अच्छी कॉलम लिख दियो 5 2 7. ए जो रो अच्छी कॉलम लिखो 2 9 4. ए जो रो अच्छी कॉलम लिख दियो 7 4 9. सेम ऑप्शन है इक्वल ऑप्शन है नहीं. सो हियर A इज दिस इज सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स लिखिया पई फार्मूला देख टेक्निक होची फास्ट डायगोनल लिखि दियो एपट जति एपट से लिख लिख चली ऊपर सेम. ओके दिस इज द हाउ टू राइट द सिमेट्रिक एग्जांपल ऑफ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. नाउ व्हाट इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. Now what is skew symmetric matrix? What is skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Two matrices. Let A and B. Sorry, this is skew symmetric matrix. Let A be a square matrix. Okay. Then A is said to be. Square matrix. Sorry, skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to negative of A. That is, let capital A is equal to what? Capital A is equal to Aij of order n into n, and A transpose is equal to what? Aji order n into n. According to definition, what is here? Aij is equal to what? Or we can say A is equal to minus 80. Same thing. Okay. A equal to minus 80. We can say. So Aij is equal to minus Aji. Suppose I is equal to J. For I equal to J, what happens here? For I is equal to J, that is I equal to J here. So we can write Aii equal to minus of Aii. So take this size, 2 into Aii is equal to 0. That implies Aii is equal to 0. Aii equal to 0 means what? Aii equal to 0 means what? That is A11 0, A22 0, A33 0. Mane equal achhe, that is what? This is diagonal element. Diagonal elements are zeros and other elements is negative of the others. For that is example for symmetric, example for skew symmetric. So this is what? Let for example, so matrix A is equal to, suppose kon ochedi na A11, A12, A21, A22. So according to definition of the skew symmetric matrix, A11, A12, A22 0. तो डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स टा 0 0 फर्स्ट पुट कर दियो. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स 0 0 पुट करो हला. एटी जदि 5 रहइबो तार अपोजिट साइड ये हबो -5. ओके, ये हबो -5. A इक्वल माइनस A ट्रांसपोज हेजुना देखिबा. नाउ दिस इज एग्जांपल. ओके, A t केता हबो कहले मते ना 0 5 -5 0. जदि माइनस गोटे कॉमन काढिबा एठू, माइनस गोटे कॉमन काढले कोन होची 0 5 -5 0. A आसिलन नहीं तो A t is equal to what? Minus of A. This is the example of skew symmetric matrix. Now this is order 2. Now example of skew symmetric matrix of order 3. Now example of skew symmetric matrix of order 3 of order 3. Example of skew symmetric matrix of order 3. Example of skew symmetric matrix of order 3. Order 3. example of skew symmetric matrix of order 3. Okay, so first example, write the diagonal for symmetric matrix. The diagonal elements are always 0. Okay, एटी जी लिख ये तार अपोजिटा लिख ये मन 2 लिखिली ये -2 ये सपोज 3 लिखिली ये 4 लिखिली मैं ये -4 लिखिली सपोज ये पोजिशन हूँ 1 3 पोजिशन हूँ 3 1 सो -3 ये -4 लिखी ये +4. ओके दिस इज ए. तो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 3. नाउ सम concept or some theorems based on symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Notes if A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix then A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Okay, A plus A transpose is called symmetric. This is bit 1 and bit 2 is what? A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let's prove. Let first prove, let A is a square matrix. Let A is a square matrix. Okay, now A plus AT we have to prove A plus AT is symmetric matrix. That is what? Let suppose A plus AT is another matrix, suppose P or C or B, say B. When the matrix B is symmetric, then under what condition the matrix B is symmetric? When B equal to B transpose. We have to show that is B transpose. Now B transpose is equal to what? B transpose is equal to what? B means what? A plus A transpose whole transpose. So this can be written as what? B transpose is equal to what? A transpose plus A transpose. So B transpose is equal to what? B transpose is equal to A transpose in transpose A. So this is B transpose is equal to what? This is, we can write A plus AT na. So this is B. That implies B transpose is equal to B. Therefore B is symmetric matrix. B is symmetric matrix. What is B? Where B is, that is B is equal to what? A plus AT is symmetric matrix. Okay, A plus what? B is symmetric matrix. B is symmetric matrix. B is what? B is symmetric matrix. Now what is B here? B is symmetric matrix. So B means what? A plus what? A plus N transpose is symmetric matrix. Clear? Okay. Now second proof. What is A minus AT is symmetric matrix. A minus AT is symmetric matrix. A skew symmetric matrix. Now we have to prove A minus AT is skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? If जदि ट्रांसपोज करिवो गिवन मैट्रिक्स रो नेगेटिव साइन आसिला सी होबो स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ओके, लेट्स C is equal to, suppose. Now to prove now to prove A minus AT is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so let C is equal to, suppose let C is equal to A minus A transpose. केतले C टा skew symmetric हो परिबो? C टा skew symmetric, C is skew symmetric means what? CT is equal to minus C हेबा दरकार, ये concept मन रहबा दरकार. तो now taking both sides, transpose C transpose is equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. That implies C transpose is equal to A transpose minus A transpose. Now C transpose is equal to what? C transpose is equal to A transpose minus A transpose means A. Taking common here A, so CT is equal to minus common here A minus AT. So that is what? CT is equal to minus C. That implies C is skew symmetric. That implies C is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, C is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. C means what? C means what? This is C. Okay, and this is C, and this is minus, and A minus what? AT. And this is A. This is AT. Clear? And this is C. So this is C, and C is equal to AT minus A transpose. Okay. So C is equal to what? My CT is equal to minus C. C means what? C is skew symmetric. C means that is A minus AT is skew symmetric matrix. Every square matrix can be expressed as another note theorem. Every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Every square matrix can be expressed as sum of square matrix and sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Another theorem, every square matrix can be expressed as every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so that is let A is equal to, that is let A prove let A is equal to what? Let, or that is we can write, that is let A is equal to A be a square matrix, and this can be written as what? A is equal to A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. तो A transpose cancel ही होची 2A रोची. So divide by 2 कर दियो. This is symmetric matrix. We have already proved. This is symmetric matrix, and what? This is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, this is the formation of the expression of that every matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. One question related to this concept. Okay. What is orthogonal matrix? What is orthogonal matrix? What is orthogonal matrix? Okay. Orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. What is orthogonal matrix? The square matrix A is said to be orthogonal. The square matrix A is said to be orthogonal if A into its transpose, that is A into A transpose, is equal to identity matrix. Okay. The square matrix A is said to be orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix if A into A transpose is equal to I, identity matrix, where I is identity matrix, where I is the identity matrix whose order is same with A. These are the some basic concept of transpose of matrix. Okay. So what is orthogonal matrix? The matrix square matrix A is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to the identity matrix. Okay. Note if capital A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A to the power n is symmetric if n is even natural number. Okay. A to the power n is skew symmetric matrix if n is odd natural number. N is odd natural number. N is odd natural number. Okay. Odd natural number. These are the some concepts regarding the transpose matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, and some properties of the transpose matrix, and also properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay. In next class we will discuss some other properties, other types of matrices, and some problems. So these are the concept. So please practice the problems related to this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.